Hello friends, in this video we will learn about operators in PHP. So let's start. Now create a script. So firstly we have arithmetic operators. So arithmetic operators are used for the mathematical manipulations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, etc. So let's see. So I am creating a variable C that will hold the value of dollar $a plus dollar $b. So this is the addition of A and B. Now display it. So the addition of 20 and 10 is 30. For subtraction we have to use this symbol. For multiplication for division and in last for remainder. So when we divide 20 by 10 the remainder is 0. So now we have second operators. Assignment operator. So assignment operator is used to assign a value in the variable. So for example I have created $a. So I have to assign any value in variable. So I have assigned 20 in A. So suppose I want to assign a same value in more than one variable. So $a is equals to $b is equals to 30. So let's use them. Now refresh your web page. Now see, all variables contain the same value 30. Okay. So third operator is relational operators. So relational operators are used to compare two variables or two values. So we can also call relational operator as comparison operator. So relational operators are less than, greater than, less than equals to, greater than equals to, uh, sorry, equals to and not equals to. So less than is used to compare the value that a value is less than from another value or not. So like it equals to is used to compare the value that the two values are equals or not, and not equals to is used to compare the value that a value is different from another value. So for example, dollar is equals to 10 and dollar b is equals to 20. Now I have a code. Let's create a variable dollar c is equals to dollar a equals to dollar b. Now the precision of parenthesis is high, so firstly the right hand side will be calculated. So dollar is equals to b, so it is not true, so dollar c will contain false. So when we display the dollar c, it will show nothing because false will not be displayed on browser. So now I have changed value from 10 to 20. Now it is showing 1 for the true. Now if I use not equals to, so 30 is not equals to 20, so now it will display 1. Now if I use greater than equals to, so 30 is greater than equals to 20, so again it will show 1. Now if I use less than equals to, so this is false and nothing will be displayed on browser. Now we have logical operators. So logical operators are logical AND, logical OR and logical NOT. So now see, let us assign true in A and true in B, and I have using AND. Now see, so logical AND is will result in true when both the operands are true, and logical OR will result in true when one of the operands is true, and logical NOT is performed on a single value. So if the value is true, the logical NOT will result in false, and if the value is false, the logical AND will result in true. So now we have both the operands are true, so it will result in true. So it is showing 1. Now nothing will be displayed, and so now one of operand is true, so logical OR will result in true, so 1 will be displayed on browser. Okay, now see, so we have true in A, so when we use logical NOT on A, so it will result in false. So it will not display any value, and if we do it on B, then the value is true. So now we have increment and decrement operators. Suppose I have 10 in A and 20 in B. Now in C I want to decrement the A, so I use minus minus $a. So we have two forms of these operators. First one is prefix form and the second one is postfix form. So in prefix form, firstly the increment or decrement operation will be performed, and then the value will be used as the value will be used as in the variable or in any task. So but in postfix form, firstly the value is used and then the increment or decrement operation will be performed. So here $C. So now, so A contains 10, and when we decrement A it will reduce to 9, and $C will show 9. So let's refresh it. So both the value have 9. Now I have to use increment. So now I have used the postfix form of increment operator. So $C, suppose I have used it here. So now $C have 9. So firstly the value of $C is 9, so 9 will be printed and then it will increment. So again I have printed. Okay, so firstly the value of 9 is printed and then it will increment it, and 9 will increment it to 10. Okay, so these were increment and decrement operators. We will use this operator in loops. So let's move on to next operator. Now we have see the dot operator. So dot operator is used to concatenate two values or two strings that so I first string is high and the second string is by. So I use dot operator, so it will concatenate the string and the resultant string will be displayed on browser. So it will showing high and by, high by. Okay, so for example I have $A equals to 50. So now it will print high 50. Okay, so now we have dollar and dollar. So this is the important operator. For example, $A have hello and $B have A. So now see, so now when we use $A is the actual value of the variable. So dollar operator is used to display the original value of variable, and double dollar or we can say dollar operator is used as the reference of the variable. So it will display the value of variable which contains the reference of variable of reference of the value of the variable. Okay, so $A and $B. So $B will print by, and suppose I have $by variable. So and $. reference of the variable. So reference of buy and the value of buy is hello. So $dollar b will be results in hello. So refresh it. So it is showing buy and then hello. So $dollar operator is used to access the reference of the variable. Okay. So we have next operator, conditional operator. So syntax of conditional operator is, here we have to put condition, then we have to use question mark symbol. So here is first statement, then colon, and statement 2 terminated by semicolon. So conditional operator is used to perform the task. When a condition is true, then the first statement will be executed, and if a condition is false, then the second statement will be executed. So let's check. So suppose I have $a is equals to 20 and $b is equals to 10. Now I have a condition $a greater than $b. Now I have echoed, in first statement I have echoed true, so it means that if a condition is true, then true will be printed, otherwise false. So if the condition is false, then false will be printed. Refresh the browser. So now it is showing error that unexpected echo. So, so we have done in C that echo will return a value. So when we use this condition and the echo is inside that first statement, so this will be a syntax error, but see, it will works very properly. So we just have to use echo, and then we have to use conditional operator. So conditional operator, condition is $a is greater than $b, then question mark, and the first is true, otherwise I have to print false. So if this condition is true, then true will be printed, otherwise false. So refresh it. So it is results in true, and suppose A's value is 5, and this will result in false. So it will result in false. So thank you guys for watching this video. That was operators in PHP. So in next video we will discuss about loops in PHP. So thank you guys.